Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dent Learning, where you get all the videos of easy learning of dentistry and makes you to read, motivate and help you to understand the important topics. So today we are here to discuss a very important notes like what are the books you are going to take for your 4th year. Okay, so many of you asked me to do a video on it, and now here we go. For oral medicine, there are a lot of books. There is a lot of confusion as you people will be going and asking your seniors, and due to this pandemic all of you are away from your colleges and away from your seniors, so it's better to watch this video and you can go for it and go and buy the books immediately. Okay, here I will be starting with oral medicine. You have oral medicine and radiology. And what are the books which I preferred the most? I will tell you that. I preferred for oral medicine Burkitt's, and as well as I used to go for all the clinical features and everything from the oral pathology Schaeffer's 3rd year, because I have already read it in 3rd year, so it will be easy for you. It will be just like a revision, so you can collect all the points like clinical features and all the sex prediction and everything which is the most males are most commonly affected, females are most common, everything is given in Schaeffer, so you can go for it. And for the medicine part you have to go for Burkitt's. Burkitt's is a very really good book. It is a standard book. It is easy to understand. You can go for it anytime. And the other book you have an option like Ravi Kiran Ongole. It consists of both the oral medicine and as well as the radiology. This is a very good book, and you have some of the topic very nice, like there are flow charts for the treatment planning like leukoplakia, OSMF, and it has a very good Pictionary and everything you can understand it. It is a very nice book. Everything is given point to point, so you can go for it also. The first option will be the Burkitt's always. It is a standard book. It is a foreign author book, so you can go for it. And for some of the topic you can take the book from library and you from your friends and refer some of the topics. Most especially I'm telling you about the flow charts which are given for the treatment plan of leukoplakia, red and white lesions. It is completely given very vast and very nicely in this book, so go for it for the all the treatment plans. Okay, and you can go for Schaeffer's or Burkitt's also, but Schaeffer's it will be like just a revision and you will not find it difficult to read one more time. Okay, so you can use the read the clinical features and all in Schaeffer's, and this is all about the oral medicine. So next will be our oral radiology. Here we go. Radiology, these are the 2 editions. Okay, this is nothing but White and Farrow. Both are the same. Okay, you can use either of the book. Everything is easy. It is enough for the UG level. You can go through the book, Pictionary and explanation. Everything is easy here. You can read it and you definitely understand it very easily, and go for this book only. No other options. Don't go for anything else. It is best. Okay, now we will be moving to the other subject. Okay, here is oral maxillofacial surgery. So OMFS, we have so many books like Nilima Malik, Balaji, and I feel I use this book Chitra Chakravarti because it is very good. Everything is given point to point. Pictionary is very good here. You can understand it very easily. I used this, and you can go for anytime for Nilima Malik. I heard that book is also very nice. So you can go for either the Chitra Chakravarti or the Nilima Malik. As you can see here, the pictures are very nice and self-explanatory. You can always go for this book. I feel that this book is easy, so I have gone for this. Okay, you can take Chitra Chakravarti or Nilima Malik, or one more book is available like Balaji, and other handbooks for specific topics like local anesthesia. Malamed is very important and very good book. You can read all the local anesthesia thing from that book. Okay, now Malamed with this book is enough for oral and maxillofacial surgery. Now moving to the next subject, that is periodontology. This is a standard book Karanza. You can go for this edition or the last edition, old edition. Both are amazing, and this book is totally enough for your fourth year examinations. You can go for this book. It is very nice. It explains everything well, and the diagrams are very nice, as you can see here. I think most of you have bought this book in the third year itself. It is go for Karanza only. The other options are Shantipriya Reddy. Everything is given point to point in that. Here we will be having like paragraphs wise, but Shantipriya is like notes types. Okay, not in paragraphs. Everything is given cut short, point to point. You can go for that book also. I heard that is very easy and very nice when compared to Karanza. So many people use that book, but I didn't use that book. I used the standard word Karanza, and as your college suggests you, Karanza is a standard and you can go for it anytime. It's a very nice book. Moving to the next subject, pediatric dentistry, pedo. There are many options like Nikhil Marwa, Damle, Shobha Tandon. Okay, I used personally Nikhil Marwa because it has a very good Pictionary and very nice matter in this, and the pictures are self-explanatory and matter is given very nice. So I used this book Nikhil Marwa, but I heard that Damle is also very nice. So some of my friends used Damle. And it was also very nice, but I feel like personally I use Nikhil Marwa. You can go for it, Damle or Nikhil Marwa or Shobha Tandon also. I don't have any experience with Shobha Tandon. I used only Nikhil Marwa completely for my fourth year preparation, and Alhamdulillah, it is very good and you can go for it anytime. Nikhil Marwa, it is the fourth edition. This book is enough for your fourth year preparation. Now moving to the fourth subject, that is prosthodontics. Many options are available. Like if you want to prepare the every single topic in other book, then you can go for FPD Schilling and for CD Sheldon. Like that, other books are also available. But I'm not that kind of person that like preferring every single topic in a different book. I used only one book for all the topics: FPD, CD, and RPD. So Rangarajan is the best book, and other book Nalla Swami, it is also very nice book. You can go for it always, but most of my seniors suggested me Rangarajan. That's why I took Rangarajan, but I personally feel I would have taken Nalla Swami because everything is I feel bit easier in Nalla Swami when compared to Rangarajan. These two are Indian authors book. You can go for foreign authors also, Schilling, Sheldon and Bouchers. They are very important. And one more book is option is available for this prosthodontics, that is Manepalli. Okay, you can go for the first preference you give to Nalla Swami. Either if you feel like Nalla Swami is not good, and if you ask the people who use Rangarajan, you can go for Rangarajan. Give a first preference to Nalla Swami and then Rangarajan. All the topics are available here. Very nice, very easy, very easy to understand. I feel the pictures are self-explanatory, and this book is wonderful. I used it for my final year preparation, so you can go for it anytime. Moving to the next subject, Cons and Endo. Yes, it has two books, two subjects, two books, conservative and endodontics. Okay, I use the standard one, Sturdivants. As we all follow Sturdivants, it is very easy to understand. Everything is explanatory, self diagrams are very good, and the matter is very good written. But I feel like this edition is bit like clumsier when compared to the old edition. I studied in my second year from the old edition only, and I feel that book is bit easy and you can remember the point very easy. This is the same, but this is a revised edition. You can go for either of the books, but Sturdivants is the standard one and you can go for it anytime. The other option is Nisha Garg. Nisha Garg has two subjects also, like Nisha Garg contains this Sturdivants cons matter, and also Nisha Garg is for endodontics. You can buy both the Nisha Gargs and go for it, or else you can go with the Studivants. Studivants is always a better option, so you can go for Studivants. Give this as a first preference. Nisha Garg is also very nice, you can go for it. And for endodontics, always go for Grossman only. This is a very nice book, tiny book, and everything is given very nicely in a flowchart manners. What is the importance of flowchart is flowchart we can write a lot of matter in a flowchart form, and you can gain more marks. So here everything is very easy in this book, like these kind of charts are given, and the diagrams are also very nice, you can easily understand. And it's okay, you can go for Nisha Garg endodontics also, but I feel like I personally use the Grossman, so go for Grossman anytime. Moving to the last one, orthodontics. This is the best book I feel like for UG preparation. This is enough, Balaji. You can go for it anytime. The other books are also available like Balaji, Gurpreet Singh, and but Balaji is the best, I guess, for UG level. And if you want foreign authors, Prophet and Grabber. Two books are available, but I think you could prefer those books in PG. So for UG level, Balaji is the best. You can go for this edition or either the old edition. Both are okay. Both diagrams are there. Everything, the diagrams are self-explanatory, and the matter is also very good, and you can always go for Balaji. For UG, this is enough. Okay, you can go for Balaji anytime. Last but not the least, public health dentistry, community dentistry. I used Shobhan Peter. So I feel like this subject is very dry, and you have to remember all the points, and like so I didn't explore all the textbooks of what are available in public health dentistry. I think the Parker one more is available, but I feel this is enough. This matter, everything will be dry here, so this book is really okay, and you can go for it anytime. This book is enough for UG level, and you give the first preference to Shobhan Peter only. You can go for it anytime. I hope this video was very helpful to you in buying your 4th year books, and there is no confusion. If you have any confusion, drop your questions in the comment box, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.